Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today, I want us to start off with the chart on my screen. This is SP500. So on this chart, we do have a very good supportive trend line. We have a level here, and then we have another level here. So this is like a support here. We had a support here in the recent past. We had another support here. We had another support here, and then we had another support here. This was just yesterday. So as it is right now, we are looking forward to the price moving to the upper side. We'd like to see buyers push price to the upper side, at least up to this resistance level here. So we are technically going to pick a buy position from along the lower trend line. This should be the correct place to look for a buy from. We had a support here, we had a support here, we had a support here. The price continued up, it came down. Then this here is the correct place to look for a buy from. The next symbol which I'd like us to look at so as I was saying, we have a very good resistance level at this price here. This is 1.3611, 1.3585. The price can somehow break beyond this level, then pull back to the same place, then that will act as the best place to look for a buy from. So as it is right now, we are just waiting to see what happens. If the next day's candle successfully closes above 1.3611, then we want to wait for some pullback to the same place that we pick another buy position with our next take profit fixed at this level here. So we're going to be looking for a buy position. If the price can go beyond this point 1.3611, then I want to see some pullback so that we pick a second buy position at least up to this resistance level here. In case the price goes above this point, then we expect it to proceed much higher with our next take profit fixed at 1.3966. So that is my opinion. That is my suggestion on the GBP USD. And the next chart which I want us to look at is Euro USD. So as I mentioned yesterday, you can see that this chart is still within some range. It's not breaking above the upper trend line, neither is it breaking below the lower trend line, the line I'm drawing now. So if for some reason the price can go down and touch the lower line, then this should act as the best place to look for a buy from. And in case the price heads up and touches the upper line but does not break beyond it, then this will act as the best place to look for a sell from, at least up to the lower trend line. But in case there is a break above this upper trend line, then I'd like to see some signs that the price is sustaining itself above this point before I pick a buy position, at least up to 1.1530. And the next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart, most likely the price may continue to the lower side. We are actually looking forward to the price continuing much lower and touching this level here, 114.24. So the price should proceed to the lower side, touch this level here, bounce from this point, and then head straight to the upper side. That's what we expect on this chart. My next symbol is the Brent oil. So with the Brent oil so far, we are in an active uptrend. The price continuously moves to the upper side. As it is now, we are still into a buy. We are still expecting buyers to push price to the upper side. So what I want to happen now is I want to see some pullback, at least up to this point here. So this is like a resistance here. We have a resistance here. There is a break above. There is a pullback. We have a support. We have a support. If the price can come back down and touch this level, then this should act as the best place to look for a buy from. My next symbol is gold. So you remember what I mentioned yesterday on gold? I actually had a trend line like this. So I mentioned that as long as the price was held below this trend line, I said that this was supposed to be a very good sell. So I'm still holding onto that perspective. The fact that this here will be a very good place to look for a sell from. So we had a support here. We had a support here. We had a support here. There is a break below this point. The price can pull back up and touch this level. This here will act as the best place to look for a sell from. So you can see that already the price is touching that level. Somehow, if the current 4 hours candle, which is this one, if it closes above that level, and then comes back again, maybe the next 4 candle or the next 8-hour candle, then this right here will act as the best place to sell from, with a stop loss above the highest high. So we need to see price move to the lower side. It should continue downwards and touch this level here, where if it breaks below that point, then our next target is the one we have at the bottom, this one here. So we'll sell it where the price is now, our first take profit, and then the next take profit is the one we have at the very bottom. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.